my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh, wedgie. Yikes! I just be rubbing my titties all day. Your girl's been doing her squats, okay? Did I do that? Why, hello there. Welcome to my Yesstyle try-on haul video. Today I'll be trying on various items of clothing and telling you whether I like them or not. That's how these things go, right? Sorry guys, I'm really hyper right now. But yeah guys, today I'm gonna be doing a haul. This is not a sponsored video. I just really love Yesstyle and I wanted to try all of these damn clothes. So let's see what was a hit and what was a miss today from Yesstyle. Let's get it, let's go. Yeet. Okay, we are serving business casual with this one, all right, yeah. I look like I'm about to sign some mergers or something. See, what I love about this not being a sponsored video is that I can put things in here that aren't Yesstyle. So this skirt right here is from Forever 21, but this shirt right here is from Yesstyle. I love this shirt. This is a plain ass t-shirt, just a regular t-shirt. It's big, it's baggy, but when you tuck it into something very slim fitting like a skirt, you can put some high-waisted jeans. This is what you get. So I'm really loving this combination right now. This shirt here is very soft, very nice material. However, it is a little cheaply made. You know, you can find a little strings falling off here and there on the material, but hey, it's a cheap ass shirt, so what do you really expect, honey? But they're really cute. They come in a variety of colors. So I got this one and then I got one in pink as well, which I'll be showing you guys later. But this is the look. I'll be looking like a grown ass woman ready to go to my PCA meeting, okay? Turn around, you can see how big and baggy this shirt is and also that little booty pop. Your girl's been doing her squats, okay? So I'm already really loving this shirt. It's so comfortable. Like I could sleep in this thing. Oh, it feels so good. I just be rubbing my titties all day. I feel like these came in like sizes small, medium, and large, I think, or it could have been one size. A lot of Asian retailers have something that's called one size, which is basically a small that they expect everyone to fit in. Okay guys, so here is the exact same shirt, just in a different color. And these high-waisted jean shorts are from CHUU. These shorts are really cute, though I do feel like they are a little bit like too stiff or something. Like I can't really put my finger on it, but they are a little bit awkward. They do run a little bit tight, I feel. I maybe could have gone up a size, but I feel like that would have been a little bit too big. But this just shows how you can pair different things together to get different kinds of looks. Before I was, you know, the sophisticated PCA mom, and today I'm a cute college girl on spring break. Hey. So this is super casual, so cute, something I'd wear just like out with my friends, you know, chilling, casually. Ooh, wedgie. Woo! Yikes! This just screams summer to me. This just casual summer, just living my best life in the summer. Just casually putting my hands in my pockets. So this shirt here is one of the top sellers on the website. So if you're watching this video, you probably already own it, or at the very least, it's in your cart right now. I don't normally like striped things. If you look at my closet, there's no stripes. I feel like this is the only striped thing I own right now. But I just couldn't resist. It's so adorable. Something about the stripes is just so youthful, and then you pair it with the shorts and then it's like youthful summertime, and I can't, oh my god. But I feel like this is taking me back to my youth, guys. I just feel really cute and adorable right now, and like I need a popsicle or something in order to complete this look. It's a little bit of a thicker material, so it could be worn in the spring or the fall as well as the summer. And compared to the other shirts that I put on, this one seems to be of a little bit better quality. And I'm pretty sure that this shirt is a one size shirt. It's a pretty versatile shirt. Doesn't really matter like how tall or small that you are, because it's supposed to be like a really casual baggy kind of like whatever shirt. That really 90s, like I don't really care. I didn't do my hair, I didn't do my makeup today. I'm just straight chillin'. That kind of look. This one is a top seller for a reason, girl. So if you're into that like old school 90s vibe right now, get on this shirt. Ayy. These are the famous jeans from CHUU that everybody goes insane over. These are the -5 kg jeans. These jeans are supposed to make you lose 10 pounds, honey. And I also have it paired with a shirt from CHUU. This is just a basic tee. This is a really thin material, good for the summertime, very comfortable and relaxed fit, and it's also very long. I wouldn't recommend wearing it as a dress because it is pretty like see-through, but it is really long. You could wear it to bed, girl, if you want. These are the stars of the show here. These are the Chu Jeans, and I feel like I could have gotten a size smaller. This is a size 27. That's the thing about shopping online. You really don't know your size 100%. They have front pockets, functioning front pockets here, and functioning back pockets as well. As you can see, it's a little loose, but ooh, my butt looks nice. Hello. They're really comfortable. They're high-waisted jeans. So as you can see, they are a little big around here. And I am short, and I'm not just short, but I have a short torso. So the way my body is built, I have long legs, long limbs, and a short boxy little torso here. So I see a lot of girls try these jeans on, and the waist part comes like down here. So I wasn't expecting them to be like super high-waisted. But I guess on me, it comes up really high. Looking like Steve Urkel. Oh my God, that would have been perfect with the other shirt. Wait, did I do that? So here's more of what the jeans look like. They're like your basic jeans, but they are really flattering, even if they are size too big. And they do make your butt look nice, so that's a plus. I'm secretly hoping that I'll just grow into these jeans. You know what I mean? You know? Bigger butt. Please. Now, this is my favorite shirt out of all the shirts that I got. If you guys don't know, I love me some dress shirt. So this is very light, airy material, which I absolutely love. It's so pretty. I love this color. Is this millennial pink? I'm a millennial, but I don't know my own color. Tragic. But I love this. This is like, oh girl, tuck that back in. Oh no. That was extremely embarrassing. Wow. Wow. No. I love how it's really long, like everything that I got. It's like super long and baggy, so you can tuck it into things and make it look like super casual, you know. I got like the flap going on in the back and everything. Like, that's how long it goes. But I really like this shirt. It's definitely my favorite out of everything that I've gotten. It makes me feel like chic and sophisticated, you know, because I'm getting up there in age, guys. And like, I need to start dressing like an adult. And I feel like this is a step towards dressing like an adult. I feel more like an adult when I'm wearing a dress shirt, you know? Something else that I really like about this shirt is the collar. I feel like the collar is really like cute and sophisticated and chic. And I feel like a lot of dress shirt collars are like kind of like, you know, like nerdy, like square, but like this is just the way that it opens up like this, and like the little flaps. I love it. Ooh, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, there are so many things wrong with this outfit right now. First of all, this shirt is so hard to get into, and it's so tight. It is really cute, but like my boobs, they too big for this shirt, honey. And my arms are too big for this shirt. But also this little collar thing is so loose. Like, even when I pull it back here, then it just makes this back part like really flimsy and loose back here. This top is very Insta-baddie, but girl, you better only wear it on Instagram because you can't wear this out in public with your collar flapping all over the place. And these are Chu Jeans as well. These are just the black ones, the exact same jeans in the exact same size, number 27, but tell me why these so big. The other jeans don't do this. This is like at least 2 sizes too big. So, like, it's the exact same size, the exact same jeans even. It's not like, oh, I got a different style. No, it's the exact same jean. Why is the size different? And it'd be like, oh, they're not authentic Chu jeans. Yes, they are, honey. Both of them came with these things tied to the back in the Chu packaging, which I don't have anymore because I threw out. These are authentic Chu jeans. Why can I fit both my hands in here? If I tuck these in and pose really cute, then it still looks nice. It's all just smoke and mirrors, girl. So this was the only purchase that I wasn't too happy about. But once again, kind of hoping that I'll grow into them. You know what I mean? That I'll grow into them, you know? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go pick up some of this stuff. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below. Fill that cart up and purchase Yesstyle. This sounds like a sponsored video, but it ain't, I swear to God. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. I love ya so much.